Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get animal fat in Icarus. Now to get animal fat, you're going to need a structure right around the tier 2 on your tech tree. Now the one thing that you are going to need to make it is pretty much the cooking station right here. And as you can see from the services that it allows, you can see that there's animal fat right around the second row. Now once you've used your building point to unlock the cooking station, go over to your crafting bench and then make the cooking station through the use of 8 pieces of fiber, 8 pieces of stick, 24 pieces of stone, and 4 pieces of iron ingots. Once you have all of that, make sure to place it down inside a structure right here that can be considered a shelter. Now once I've interacted with the cooking station, I can then find the animal fat right here. I can make one of it through the use of only one raw meat. Now let me just make some. Let me just add 2, craft it, and now I have some animal fat here that I can use. And that's pretty much about it on how to get animal fat in Icarus.